sensitivity can be incredibly painful. It can hurt every time you drink something warm or eat something cold. It can even hurt to breathe air through your mouth. But it pains me to watch people in the grocery store trying to select sensitivity toothpaste. That's because this is just a band-aid that neither addresses the problem permanently, nor does it address it naturally. It's also annoying because this lucrative sensitivity toothpaste industry is so closely aligned with the $6 billion artificial tooth whitening industry that persuades you to whiten your teeth with products that cause sensitivity. You see, most of these whitening products are made with acids, and it is acidity that dissolves minerals out of your teeth, leaving open channels through which liquids and air travel and upset the inside of your tooth. At the same time as you may be experiencing sensitivity, you may also be experiencing tooth weakness, teeth that chip or crack. It also often is a time when your dentist may notice that your teeth are wearing down and you're being blamed for grinding your teeth at night, or perhaps being sold a new toothbrush for incorrect toothbrushing. All of these problems, this weakness, the soft enamel, the sensitivity, all comes from dissolving minerals out of your teeth, dissolving them because of too much acidity. This can be from whitening products, and it can also be from other oral care products. Many of the oral care products that are sold for dry mouth are acidic. Many of the natural products, the number one selling natural product that advertises itself as a non-fluoride mouth rinse sold in natural food stores, has a pH so close to soda, it could easily weaken your teeth. So how do you do this? How do you know what's safe to use? I would suggest my complete mouth care system that will naturally encourage minerals to go back into your teeth to strengthen them. And when your teeth are strong, they will not wear away. They will not erode. You will not grind your teeth away. And they will not be sensitive anymore.